Hello, my name is Kona and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will go through zip operation of Python. In zip operation, we can zip to list, we can zip to tuple, and we can convert the list of the tuples. So how we will use this zip operation, we will see in this particular video. So here you can see I have declared two list. L1 is 1 2 3 and L2 is 2 3 4. So after that I have applied this zip operation on these particular list. So when I apply this zip operation on this particular you can say list, then what will be the output? So here you can see I have gone through one for loop and I have printed the items in that particular output. So you can see it is printed 1 2 2 3 and 3 4. So 1 2 is nothing but an uh, you can say first index, means it's zeroth index for of L1 and the zeroth index of L2. It is merged together and created one tuple. Okay, such like that, index 1 and index 1 from L1 and index 1 from L2 merge together and create second tuple. Similarly, say second index from L1 and second index from L2 merge together and created 3 4 as a tuple. So this is the zip operation. If we zip together two lists, it will create the tuple of those that particular length. So uh, if I have kept length of L1 is different and length of L2 is different, then this particular zip operation will not work. So if you see here, I have just increased the length of L1 5 and then I try to apply the zip operation, then it will give an error. Okay, it will not give an error. Okay, it will not give an error, but that fifth, you can say fifth tuple will not be generated because same corresponding index is not present in L2. So that's why uh, you can see that that particular tuple is not created. After that, here you can see I have created three lists. So in first list, I have taken some names. Then in list 2, I have taken some alphabets, and in list 3, I have taken some number. Then I have applied this zip operation on list 1, list 2, and list 3. After that, I have printed the those values. So we will see how those are coming. So here you can see in first tuple, if you don't print like ijk, and it is an just we have separated the separate element. If you just print I, you can see it is an tuple. So it is first tuple Kunal A and 1. This is first tuple made up of from zeroth index of all three list. Then second you can say second element is nothing but an first index of all the list, and the third element is nothing but an second index of all the list. So in that way, it is zipped together and created, you can say, a new list of tuples. Similarly, I have declared here some dictionaries. First dictionaries is contain name and then last name and essay. And again, in that way, I have created two dictionaries. And then after that, I have just used zip operation for the items. So here dict1 dot item will returns all the items present in the dictionary one, and dict2 items also will return all the items will present in the second dictionary. So I will print just items, so you will see what it returns actually. If I print just this dot item, here you can see all the items which is present in the dictionary is written with the key value pair. and now we have applied this zip operation on this particular dictionary. So here you can see these names are these key value pairs are merged together and created as a tuple. So if I have print like this, I will copy this and I will paste over here, and just I have printed like I in dictionary, and just I have printed the I will close this. Okay. So, okay, 1 minute. I did not run the zip operation, and then this, and then this. I run that particular zip operation. Here you can see, uh, you can see the tuple of key value pair. So this is first item from the first tuple, and this is second item from the first tuple. Similarly, there are two other tuples are created. In that way, we can use this zip operation. We can use this zip operation in many situations. In next video, I will show you how to apply this zip operation to multiply two matrices. Okay, please subscribe my channel and share this type of knowledge with all your friends, and hit that particular bell icon so that once I upload the new video, you will get the notification. Thank you.